What's up, guys? Got into a car accident. They hit me when I was in a parking lot. This video is about me fixing the lights, the bumper, but main focus for this video is going to be the bumper. I'm pretty much going to use a heat gun to mold back the bumper. I'm trying to salvage it so I could just repaint it. The heat gun will damage the paint, so I don't advise using this on the metal. I'm only advised doing this on the bumper like I am if you're trying to resalvage or you're trying to salvage the bumper to repaint it, which is what I'm doing here in this video. Here's a before and after, you guys, so you guys can see how it looks. Which is a pretty big difference in my opinion. It took me about an hour or so doing this, constantly heating and going back. So keep watching this video. I want to see how it's done. Okay?